Hello there and welcome to your Tuesday evening forecast. Fog will reform tonight. It could be dense in places and also widespread stubborn to clear tomorrow morning. An ice risk as well. The Met Office has issued a warning for ice across southern parts of northern England as well as North Midlands. But pretty much anywhere you could see some patchy ice because there's going to be a widespread frost. In fact, overnight, we're likely to see temperatures plummet across the Highlands of Scotland to perhaps even as low as -7 degrees Celsius. This rain in the southeast clears off the scene, clearer skies here. A few showers along the south coast as well as Irish Sea coast, and as you can see for the far northwest of Scotland. But a frost will form across many areas. It's going to be a bitterly cold night, but the wind will pick up some strength across western fringes, and that will lift the fog into low cloud through the early hours of the morning. Not the case across central and eastern areas where the fog is likely to remain, and it could cause problems on the roads and certainly at airports through Wednesday morning. So through Wednesday morning, you may be scraping ice off your windscreen if you're heading out and about, and certainly, particularly on the minor and untreated roads, there could be a risk of ice here. Through the day, though, many of us getting away with a dry start. And certainly we will see some brighter skies coming through once that fog lifts and breaks up into low cloud. But towards the west, the wind continues to strengthen as outbreaks of rain move in. In fact, through the latter part of the day, the Met Office has issued a warning for rain as well as wind. Wind across the western half of the UK, rain for parts of Devon and Cornwall, as well as southern parts of Wales, up to 60 millimetres in places through Wednesday into Thursday, particularly over the higher ground and the moors. Elsewhere, it's a dry end to the night. Some places will remain murky. It's going to be a cold day. Temperatures again are going to be very much on the low side, and with the breeze picking up some strength and where you see that stubborn low cloud, it's going to feel particularly cold. There will be some sunshine to end the day, particularly towards the east where that fog clears. Through Wednesday evening then, this batch of rain continues its passage up towards the northeast. So it is going to be a wet and windy night with some moderate, perhaps even heavier bursts to come. But as you can see, it is clearing quite quickly. We will still keep that wind, but the rain lingers on in the east. But across central and western areas, you will see some clearer skies through the early hours of Thursday morning. A wet start to the day for the Northern Isles as well as the Western Isles. And in fact, just for a time across the western side of Scotland, winds could pick up to gale force. And then through the day, we're likely to see the rain clear off the scene, but more rain is likely to move in from the south and southwest through Thursday. So let's have a look and see what's happening on Thursday then. You can see this first batch of rain clearing off and then more rain arrives. In fact, the Met Office has issued a warning for the next few days into the weekend for southern parts of England. Drier skies and brighter weather for central and northern areas of Scotland. But this rain could be heavy at times, particularly across the north and the west. Again, accompanying that rain will be a strong wind. It will come and go. It'll be patches, showery bursts, but certainly we will see some surface water issues where we see some heavier bursts and temperatures slowly recovering. So across England and Wales, we're likely to see double figures coming in around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, 8 or 9 across northern England as well as Scotland. However, across the Highlands of Scotland, temperatures again will struggle, at least though you will see some sunshine. Here's the bigger picture into the weekend. Low pressure pretty much firmly in charge. This area here brings with it some outbreaks of rain. That area of rain, most concern will be across the south coast there, where we could see some high total. Strong winds again through Friday into Saturday, and this area of low pressure will track across the country and again bringing outbreaks of rain. So all in all, it's likely to remain wet, windy at times, and also more so on the mild side. Bye-bye.